Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to cancel Spotify Premium. So, on your Spotify app, you have to go for this gear option and you can see here of your premium plan. So you have to click on it and you can see a page like this. You can see your premium type here, so you have to just click on it and after that you can see a page like this and you have to go for just change or cancel. You have to click on it and then you can see a page like this. Then you have to click on this yes cancel option. Then when you are click on this button, then your premium plan will be cancelled. So this is how you can cancel your Spotify premium. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.